Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Be on the iPhone and connected to the network whose name you'll change. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi, and tap the small I button next to the active SSID. This gives you network details. You can view the router's IP address here, which you'll need to access the router interface. Make sure you have the router username and password ready, because you'll leave the iPhone to log into the router's admin page to perform the rename. Once done with settings, copy the router's IP address into Safari and load the admin page. You'll log in using the router's admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the router label or try common defaults, but change them later for security. After login, navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This is where SSID and security options live. You'll see current SSID, channel, and encryption type. You'll edit the SSID field to enter the new network name and ensure security remains WPA2 or WPA3. After entering the new SSID, save or apply the settings and reboot the router if prompted. Router firmware often needs a restart to broadcast the change. On your iPhone, tap the network, choose Forget this network, then scan and reconnect to the renamed SSID with the existing password. If the iPhone doesn't see the SSID, make sure you're close to the router, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, and restart both devices. If problems persist, check router wireless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.